Karl Landsteiner. Karl Landsteiner was an Austrian biologist and immunologist. He began to carry out research into the composition of human blood before he had finished university. He spent 5 years after he graduated working at labs in Zurich, Würzburg, and Munich. Landsteiner later worked at a hospital in Vienna, where he continued his studies and developed his interest in immunology. Over the next 20 years, he carried out research, wrote papers, and even worked as a professor of pathological anatomy. He contributed to many different areas of immunology, but the one he is most famous for is his discovery of blood groups in 1901, which he later won the Nobel Prize for in 1930. His work continued that of another scientist called Landois, who, in 1875, noticed that human blood clumps together when it comes into contact with animal blood, meaning humans cannot receive blood transfusions from animals. However, Landsteiner pointed out that this same reaction can happen when blood is transferred from one human to another. On closer inspection of blood cells, Landsteiner classified them into several groups, which he named A, B, AB, and O. These groups are named based on antigens present on the surface of the blood cell and antibodies present in the blood. From this, he discovered that in order for a successful blood transfusion to take place, the person donating the blood must have a blood group that is compatible with the person who receives it. Today, Karl Landsteiner's work saves millions of lives each year. If you or anyone you know has ever had a blood transfusion, it's all down to the hard work and research done by this incredible scientist.